Royal Highness. All ranks, all riflemen, whether serving or retired, well, let's start with Bugle Major Top, shall we, sir?
The Cunning Chief Bugle Operations have been deployed to
Assault pioneering as well, sir.
Thank you, sir.